In today's video, we'll be installing a Jeep roof rack onto the Honda Pilot and putting in new seat covers and floor mats for my wife. Let's go ahead and get started. What's going on, everyone? So today on the Pilot, we're going to be installing a luggage rack for the top. We recently went to the junkyard and grabbed these because I took that off for the Shield theme, because with the light bar in those it looked kind of funky. So we have this roof rack right here, this luggage rack. It's from Body Armor. And what kind of Jeep did it come off of?
2005 Jeep JK.
So 2005 Jeep. It had the full like exoskeleton look, but we're thinking about adapting that to this, but we're not doing that in this video. We're just bolting this to the roof rack. We've already put it up there once to see how it would look, and I think it'll look really cool. So we actually need it too, especially when we take our trips out of state. We have a lot of stuff, so we can actually just ratchet strap it down. And yeah, we're basically just gonna drill like 4 bolts. I mean, we could probably do way more, but 4 should be more than plenty for this thing. We're just gonna do one there, one up front on both sides like that. That'll be the back half, this will be the front half. So we're gonna do that, and then we're going to install some rubber floor mats in the front of the Pilot on the floor. Right now we just have the little fabric factory floor mats, and then we're going to be doing the seat covers. My wife wanted those ones. You see that color matches pretty close to the Honda emblems, so she's gonna be really happy when she sees this thing all done, because she has no idea we're doing it tonight. So we did the brakes and the paint job in a previous video. Well, I didn't do a video of the brakes, but I've done a lot of videos of brakes on my channel, so should have plenty of content there to watch. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead, line it up, mark everything, measure 4 times if we have to, just so we get it right. And then we'll probably either get up there and drill the holes, or I will drill the holes on this after we get it all measured, and then we'll put it up there. And then I don't know exactly how we're doing it yet, but basically we're just going to adapt it for the Honda Pilot, since the ones for the Honda Pilot are super tiny. They're like half the size of this thing, and they look really funky. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So it's hanging over the edge a little bit on each side, about 8.5 inches from the center of here to there. And as you can see on this side, it's the exact same. So it'll work. It'll definitely work. So now we're just going to, we'll probably zip tie it down to hold it in place while I drill the holes. That way it doesn't shift on me. And then I'll just drill holes directly through, and we'll use nuts and bolts and washers and all that good stuff and just bolt it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. Alright, so we got it all bolted down. He did a majority of this side while I did a majority of that side. Now we're gonna see a strength test. Well, it seems good enough to me. If we were to ratchet strap to it, I think we would be fine. So now that's mounted and it's looking pretty good. As you can see, it's lined up pretty straight and level with the front of the actual factory rack. So everything's looking good up there. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the seat covers and the floor mats. Alright, so we already have these seat covers, which we just put in here not too long ago. The problem with them is they kind of scoot around real easy. We even put double-sided adhesive under here to help. And these seats are pretty trash. That's kind of why we're putting seat covers over them. And then we put these floor mats in, but we're gonna go ahead and take these fabric floor mats out and these seat covers off, and we're going to put in these other ones. So I got these floor mats right here from Walmart. They were in the clearance aisle. They're pretty cheap, so I picked them up, and they look pretty good. So we're gonna throw those in, and we're gonna throw these seat covers on. I also got at Walmart, but my wife likes that fabric, and these are like a pleather feeling, so hopefully they will work better than what we got in there. So we're gonna go ahead and get to it. Alright, so we got the floor mats and the seat covers installed, and they actually look really nice in there. I think my wife's going to be super happy about that, because that teal / Tiffany blue color is like her favorite color. So we might do some accent pieces inside. We'll see how that goes. But the floor mats look good. They should be nice and rugged and durable and easy to clean because they're rubber now. And yeah, so I'm really happy with how that turned out. And the cargo rack, just want to say thanks to Jeremy for helping do this and hooking me up with the cargo rack. We have the rest of the part that bolts to it for the external like cage, but we're gonna have to figure some stuff out on that. But I really want to put it in because I think it'd be put it on here because it'd be really cool. But yeah, definitely sturdy enough for us to put luggage on top for when we take our trips, and the wife should love it. Next, we're going to try to work on getting some beefier tires. These ones are okay. Like, the tread's okay on them. The back's getting a little worn down, but I just rotated these around. Those were up front. This is all-wheel drive, but it's like 60-40 until the tires break loose. Then it locks it all. But yeah, it has a four-wheel drive locker button as well, but we don't really use that unless we get stuck, which we've never got stuck yet. But yeah, it's definitely a good daily, nice, fun, good gas mileage. Seats 8 and it's real comfortable, and it has a J35 V6 with VTEC. It's pretty powerful, and I really like how it's turning out. But I think that's basically it for this video. Definitely subscribe if you're new here. We will have more content coming out on this vehicle and a few other things coming soon. So definitely hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, drop a comment below, let me know what you guys think about it, and we'll have more stuff coming soon. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.